Welcome back to See Feel Success. Today we are talking about crystal healing. What is crystal healing? Crystal healing is a holistic, energy-based practice that uses the vibrational energy of crystals to bring balance and healing to the body, mind, and spirit. Crystals are believed to carry specific energies and healing properties that can interact with our own energy fields, or auras, to remove blockages, promote calmness, enhance positivity, and aid in physical and emotional healing. The science and belief behind crystal healing. While scientific evidence supporting crystal healing is limited, many believe that crystals hold energetic frequencies due to their unique molecular structures. The practice of crystal healing is rooted in ancient traditions, where crystals were valued not only for their beauty but also for their therapeutic qualities. Ancient Egyptians, Greeks, Native Americans, and many other cultures used crystals in various spiritual and healing practices. How crystal healing works. The foundation of crystal healing is the belief that each crystal has a unique vibrational frequency. When a crystal is placed near a person's body or within their environment, its energy interacts with a person's energy field, potentially creating balance and harmony. 1. Energy resonance. Crystals vibrate at certain frequencies, and this vibration can interact with our body's own energy field. When placed on specific areas of the body, particularly over chakra points, crystals can help realign and stabilize energy flow. 2. Amplifying intentions. Crystals are often used to set intentions for healing and personal growth. Holding a crystal while focusing on a specific goal or intention can amplify the energy directed toward achieving it. This practice is similar to meditation and visualization techniques that help manifest one's desires. 3. Absorption of negative energy. Some crystals are believed to absorb negative or stagnant energy, which may contribute to physical or emotional blockages. This energy is then transformed or released, allowing for a smoother and more positive energy flow. Popular crystals and their healing properties. 1. Clear quartz, the master healer, known as the universal healing stone. Clear quartz is believed to amplify energy and intentions. It is often used in crystal healing to cleanse and strengthen the aura, increase clarity of thought, and enhance spiritual growth. Clear quartz can also be programmed to support specific healing purposes. 2. Amethyst, the stone of spirituality and intuition. Amethyst is a soothing crystal known for its calming properties. It promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and enhances spiritual awareness. Amethyst is often used to enhance intuition and support meditation, as well as to aid in emotional healing and provide comfort during times of loss. 3. Rose quartz, the stone of love and compassion. Rose quartz is associated with love, compassion, and emotional healing. It's commonly used to heal emotional wounds, encourage self-love, and promote harmony in relationships. Placing rose quartz in a bedroom or meditating with it on the heart chakra can help open up one's capacity for giving and receiving love. 4. Citrine, the stone of abundance and prosperity. Known as a powerful stone for manifesting abundance, citrine is associated with prosperity, success, and positive energy. It's often used to enhance confidence, encourage a positive mindset, and attract financial success. Placing citrine in your workspace or carrying it with you can help promote a sense of optimism and motivation. 5. Black tourmaline, the protector. Black tourmaline is highly regarded for its protective qualities. It's believed to repel negative energy and provide grounding. People often use black tourmaline to shield themselves from harmful energies or emotions, and it's commonly placed near doorways or worn as jewelry for continuous protection. 6. Selenite, the purifier. Selenite is known for its powerful cleansing abilities. It's often used to purify other crystals and clear negative energy from spaces. Selenite is thought to promote mental clarity and a calm, peaceful atmosphere. Placing selenite around your home or workspace helps keep the environment energetically clean and uplifted. Methods for using crystals in healing. 1. Meditation with crystals. Meditating with crystals can help deepen relaxation, enhance focus, and raise spiritual awareness. Select a crystal based on your intention, hold it in your hand, or place it on the corresponding chakra to harness its energy. For example, using amethyst during meditation can help facilitate a deeper spiritual connection, while rose quartz can help open the heart to love. 2. Crystal layouts on the body. Place crystals on or around the body, often corresponding to chakra points, to balance and harmonize energy. For instance, placing clear quartz on the crown chakra may help clear mental clutter, while black tourmaline near the feet can provide grounding. 3. Creating crystal grids. Crystal grids involve arranging multiple crystals in specific geometric patterns to amplify their energy and achieve a certain intention, such as healing, protection, or manifestation. The crystals are often arranged on a sacred geometry grid, such as a flower of life pattern, and the intention is set for the grid to hold and radiate energy. 4. Carrying or wearing crystals. Wearing crystals as jewelry or carrying them in a pocket is a convenient way to keep their energy close throughout the day. This method allows continuous interaction with the crystal's energy, providing ongoing support for specific intentions or healing needs. 5. Crystal elixirs and water infusions. Certain crystals can be placed in water, directly or in a separate container, to create an elixir that absorbs their energy. This water can then be used for drinking or as a cleansing mist. However, caution is required, as some crystals are not safe for water and can dissolve or release harmful substances. Benefits of crystal healing. 1. Enhanced emotional well-being. Crystals such as rose quartz, amethyst, and citrine are used to reduce stress, promote love, and enhance emotional resilience. Working with these crystals can help soothe anxiety, release emotional wounds, and boost overall positivity. 2. Physical healing and vitality. Crystal healing is used as a complementary practice to support physical health. While not a substitute for medical treatment, many people find that crystals help them feel more balanced, energized, and resilient to illness. 3. Increased spiritual awareness. Crystals like clear quartz and selenite are often used to elevate spiritual practices, aiding in meditation, connecting with higher realms, and enhancing intuition. These crystals support spiritual growth and foster a sense of inner peace. 4. Improved mental clarity and focus. Many people turn to crystals such as fluorite and clear quartz to enhance mental clarity and focus. These stones can be helpful for students, creatives, and anyone seeking to improve concentration or overcome mental blocks. Challenges and considerations. 1. Choosing the right crystal. With so many crystals to choose from, it can be overwhelming to know which one is right for you. Start by considering your goals and reading about each crystal's properties, or trust your intuition and choose one that visually appeals to you. 2. Cleansing and charging crystals. Crystals can absorb negative energy over time and should be regularly cleansed to maintain their effectiveness. Common cleansing methods include using sunlight, moonlight, salt baths, for certain crystals, or smudging with sage. 3. Realistic expectations. While crystals are believed to provide energetic support, they are not a replacement for professional medical treatment. Crystals work best as complementary tools that support holistic health and well-being. Final thoughts. Crystal healing is a versatile and personalized practice that can enhance your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. By using crystals thoughtfully and with intention, you can harness their energies to promote healing, balance, and personal growth. Whether through meditation, layouts, grids, or daily wear, working with crystals allows you to deepen your connection to yourself and the world around you, creating a pathway to holistic wellness and self-discovery. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe for more See Feel Success videos.